Yo, what's going on YouTube? This is Technical Side in here. So today I am going to show you how to replace your paid download manager forever. If you are tired of paying for Internet Download Manager or dealing with those constant fake serial number pop-ups, you need to delete it right now. There is a completely free alternative that uses the exact same dynamic segmentation engine to max out your download speeds. And unlike IDM, it even works on Mac. The software is called Neat Download Manager. To get it, head over to neatdownloadmanager.com and download the setup file. The installation takes about 3 seconds because the software is incredibly lightweight, under 3 megabytes. Once it is installed, open it up. The interface is clean, simple, and honestly, very similar to what you are already used to. To get it to grab downloads automatically, you need the browser extension. Click the browser's icon at the top of the window and choose Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Add the extension to your browser. This is what allows the program to intercept file downloads and grab video and audio files directly from web players. Now let's test it. When you click a download link, this new window pops up instead of your browser's default downloader. Notice how it instantly splits the file into multiple connections. That is the dynamic segmentation working. It forces your bandwidth to max out, downloading massive files in a fraction of the time. It handles pause and resume perfectly, and it doesn't drain your system resources in the background. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tools that actually save you money. See you in the next one.